Hey, thank you for taking the time to watch this quick video. Now, believe me, it is going to be a quick video because your time is precious and so is mine. So my name is Karen Downs. I am currently in sunny Spain and it is roasting hot, which is another reason why this video is going to be short and sweet because it's too hot in this office. Okay, so I've been in network marketing for at least 9 years. I have done various other businesses. This one resonated with me straight away because of the fact we launched in the end of April 2021. So we are brand new. I always wanted to do a business straight at the top, right at the beginning, because it is mega exciting. The momentum is fantastic and you can grow with that brand new business, which is what I absolutely love. Now, what I also love about this business is we literally cater for everyone. We cater for the student that wants to earn some extra money. We cater for the person that's maybe a single parent and wants to earn extra money. We cater for the people that want to pay their mortgage. We cater for people that have got debts that need paying off. We literally cater for everyone, and the reason that we cater for everyone is because we have no startup fees. Now, all of the businesses I've been in before, there's always been a startup fee. Now, let's be honest, who the hell can afford a startup fee? The reason you want to start an online business is so that you earn money from the get-go. You earn money from day one, not you having to outlay. Yeah, a lot of people say, you know, you've got to invest in yourself. I do agree in that. And I do agree with being a product of the product, because how can you talk about the products if you're not trying them yourself? But what I would say to you is you shouldn't have to outlay loads of money to get started. That is not right, because from the get-go you're having to pay that money back. So we have no startup fees, guys. We have no bulk orders where you've got to place a bulk order once a month and then try and get rid of that bulk order. That just makes life so stressful. We don't have any of that. A lot of the businesses I've been in before, you had to bulk order and then you go onto eBay or Amazon and everyone's selling those bulk orders on there, undercutting everybody else, and already you're in a no-win situation. We don't have none of that. There's no selling on Amazon, no selling on eBay, and no bulk orders to buy, which is incredible. You also don't need to put an order on when you first sign up for a starter pack. There is none of that. I know it's incredible, it's amazing, isn't it? This is what I love about it. So our CEOs, who I adore by the way, are Yorkshire like me, so that does help for me. They are Yorkshire people living now in California. Now, they are multimillionaires. So believe me, they did not have to do this business. But the reason that they did was they wanted to change the face of network marketing for the reasons that I've just said. A lot of network marketing businesses have got a bad rep because you do have to buy products straight away. You do have to purchase a bulk order. You do have to get in debt to start, and that is not right, guys. You shouldn't have to get in any debt whatsoever to start a business. It should be free, and from the day one you should be earning money, and this is what our CEOs have done for us, which to me is incredible. So they wanted to change the face of network marketing, and they are doing that. Now, like I said, they launched the end of April with 20 amazing products. Now we have got a product range of 4 different lines. So we cater for absolutely everyone, and I mean everyone. So we've got a hemp range, we've got a weight loss range, we've got a skincare range, and we've got a health and wellness range. Now, who doesn't need all of that in their lives right now, especially with what's going on in the world? We all need all of those. So this range literally caters for every need for every person. So like I said, we launched with 20 products. This is unheard of. Now, I've been in businesses before that have never had 20 products after 2 years. I've been in businesses where we've had 6 products. 2 years later, we've maybe had 8 products, not 20 products from the get-go. Now, they are also launching with new products as we speak. So it's going to keep evolving and it's going to keep changing. Now, what I also love about it is, like I said before, you do not have to have any bulk orders. This is classed, I think of it as maybe Amazon, something similar to Amazon, where it's drop shipping directly to your customer. So you do not hold stock, guys. You do not have to have tons of stock in your house everywhere, and then you've got to go to the post office every day, wasting your time. You're having to package these products, wasting your money, and then you have to make trips to the post office and post them out. We don't do any of that. We are drop shipping worldwide, and I mean worldwide, to your customers via the company. How amazing is that? So already you're not spending loads of money, you're not having to obviously go to the post office and waste your time. It's all done for you via the company, which is what I love as well. So like I said, it is global, so you can literally have customers worldwide. I mean, for me, being in Spain, I live in a little village in the middle of nowhere. Our post office is open for 1 hour a day. I cannot get down to that post office for 1 hour a day. That's just like not feasible for me. That takes a lot of planning. I do not have the time to do that when I'm trying to work my business. So this is the beauty of this. Now, the reason a lot of people want to work from home, if you're like me, I wanted to work from home. I used to do the 9 to 5. It was a drag. I was bringing up my son. I missed out on so much. I literally missed out on so much with the hours that I used to work. And I didn't want to do that anymore. I wanted to be there for my family. I wanted to be there for my son. I didn't want to do the commute anymore. I commute now from my house on the land up to my office. It takes me 2 seconds. And literally, I choose to do that because I decided enough was enough and I needed to make that change for myself. I decided I want to spend days off when I decide I don't want to work for somebody else. I want to work for myself, the hours that I want to do. So if you want to do full-time, no problem. If you want to do part-time, no problem. If you want to do a few hours a week, that's entirely up to you. This is your business. If you want to run with it, I will run with you. If you want to walk with it, I will walk with you. If you just want to be a customer and get these products for yourself with your own link, you can do that as well. That is the beauty of this industry. So like I said, it's all done for you, so it's not going to waste your time. You will get retail profit if you want to from the get-go. So you will have your own back office, you will have your own website, you can send your website link out directly to your customers. You need to do nada after that if you don't want to. Give your link to your customers. Your customers can shop online like we all do today. It is the future of absolutely everything. I actually don't go to shops anymore. Everything I do is online. Everything I purchase is online, and that is the future, how it's going to go now, guys. So we need to tap into this. More and more women, especially women, are making money online. And more millionaires are being born online. Now, I'm not going to say to you this is an overnight success because I would lie to you. You do need to work at it, but we have all of the training, literally. We have training groups. We have a group chat, a team chat, where if you've got any questions, we have got guides where you can follow from the day you get started, and then you can just follow those guides. Again, it's up to you how much you put into this. It's up to you how much you go through those training guides. It's up to you how much you learn and how much money you want to earn. You could earn from £50 or dollars or wherever you are in the world to £1,000 a month or more. It's entirely up to you. But like I said, this is your business. So I'm not going to say you're going to earn millions from day one because I would be lying to you. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass, as our CEO would say. I'm going to be real with you and honest. If you want to make this work, you can. It depends on you and how consistent and how much you want to put into this, which is what I love about it, because it will work around you. It will work around your lifestyle. That is the beauty of it. So that is just a quick video. I told you I didn't want to spend too long. If you do want more info, we have got a potentials opportunity group. So if you want to take a look at that, please reach back out to me. We also have a group with all of our customers' reviews in that are literally giving our results on all of our 20 product range. Now, the products are incredible. I am a product of the product. I do use the products. I am 48 as we speak now. In June 2021. I'm 49 this October. I am menopausal, guys. So these products are really helping me as well. So some of what I've said today might resonate with you. If you're thinking that and you're wanting more information, then please reach out to me. I can add you to our info group. I can also send you the link for our customer reviews as well. So you can look at normal people that are using the products. And obviously this is changing their lives. So hope you have an amazing day. Any questions, please reach out to me. If someone else sent you this video, then please reach out to them and get back to them as well. Have a fantastic day, lots of love, and I will speak to you soon. And I will just say, if this is not for you, that's perfectly fine, but please be honest with me. Please don't waste my time, and I won't waste your time. It is not for everyone, and I do understand that. So if it's not, please just get back to me and say, Karen, no, this isn't for me. Or if it is, then Karen, yes, I'd love some more information. Okay, have a great day, lots of love. Bye.